just saying, dude. Several complications that are ripping and tearing and banging. Okay, where you are, dude? No, you can't name it after me. Because I'm the one and only, dude. Have that. Alright, I don't care about that. You can call it Ghost Dog, but you can't have Geist on that. The Geist is the one and only original. Isn't that right, Monica? Alright, your 13th, the original. Dude, sure, dude. Whatever floats your boat, dude. Whatever floats your boat, dude. I don't care. You can name it whatever you want, dude. I ain't your daddy. I'm demonic daddy. Your daddy, dude. Right? Your daddy.
You would have all that kids in the car.
You know what we can all agree on? We've had nasty sex with everyone. I'm demonic hell, daddy.
I hit his heart start beats fast. He'll have a panic attack.
Hey, wait a minute, guys. Wait. Before you continue saying something, I think Demonic was trying to say something funny. Let's please wait. Repeat yourself, dude.
Alright, hold on. I'm thinking. Give me some more time. Think of something else about how I gotta think about it.
Okay, you need more time, dude. We've wasted like 16 minutes now, dude. You need more time, dude?
I need about like 30 to 40.
Dude, you come back hanging on my nut, dude. Come on, dude. It's nice and warm. Dead babies.
That's pretty fucked up, and everybody's sitting on that shit. Probably all gone games.
Come on now. And there's like millions of white little friends. Just floating around in there, dude.
Was that supposed to make sense? Come on.
Come on. Your brothers and sisters, dude. You sit there and talk to your little brothers and sisters. Millions of them, dude. Just swimming around in my hall, dude. I committed genocide every time I masturbate. Wow. Thank you for sharing that. Very enjoyable. Now I see something twice about that. Yeah. No, I'll definitely think twice about eating until the next list, probably. Thank you, dude. You ruined it for me. I don't even know what you look like, dude, but you ruined it for me. Like you. I know, dude. You sound like a nerd, and it's just so weird. Like you just got little glasses and outside. You're sitting there, pumping off, dude, to some computer, some high, spec computer, dude. Wow. Look at the hard drive. It holds like a bajillion megabytes. Wow. I was like, please, Star Ranger? No, sorry. It's over a gigabyte. So I'm about to get booted, dude. Come on, I get it for it, guys. Bye, dude.